This video will show you how to replace the spark plug wire set on a Chrysler Town Country with a 3.8 liter engine. You'll have 6 of these, 3 along the front and 3 along the rear of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now as far as the spark plug wire set, you're going to find that you have 3 spark plug wires along the forward area here, and you'll have the same thing along the rearward side of the engine. The process will be the exact same thing. Now one thing that you're going to find is that you're going to have long spark plug wires that lead to the spark plug that's farthest away from the ignition coil, and they'll progressively get shorter as you make your way closer. For the spark plug wires, take hold of them close to the spark plug, give them a gentle twist, and lift them up and away. Now as we continue on, we're making our way towards the ignition coil. You're going to find that you have a mounting point for each of the wires. Just go ahead and pull it right out of place. As we make our way towards the ignition coil, take hold of the boot, give it a twist, and pull it away from the ignition coil. There's one of our wires. Now let's have a quick look at our brand new spark plug wire set on the bench. In the kit, you're going to find it came with 2 long wires, 2 medium length wires, and 2 shorter wires. Now a quick note about these short wires. The shortest wire that we can see here is for the rearward side of the engine. Since we're working along the front, we're going to be using the longest of the 2 short wires, so I'll remove that short wire for now. One of the medium sized wires and one of the long wires. These are the wires that we're going to be using along the forward side of the engine. So we have the 3 wires for the forward side of the engine. Obviously, I removed the longer of the wires, so that's the one I'm bringing over to the vehicle. So now as far as installing this wire, the first thing we're going to do is take a thin amount of dielectric lubricant and lubricate each one of our rubber boots. This will help this slide into place and also keep moisture out of the area. Let's go ahead and slide this into place. We'll make sure we have it in the proper orientation. This side goes on the ignition coil. Line it up, press it on there as far as possible. Listen for an audible click, give it a tug. It should not slide out of place. We want to bring this along its mounting point, along the valve cover here. Press that right in. Let's make our way down towards the spark plug next. Just like up at that ignition coil, line it up, press it on as far as possible. Audible click, a light tug, that's secure. Let's go ahead and repeat the process for all others. So we've got our medium-sized wire. Yep, perfect length. Perfect. Now at this point, before we go any further, you need to make sure that you have not crossed the wires over each other. If you cross them, it can create interference and possibly a misfire of some sort. Now as you can tell, everything looks good here and it's properly secured. We showed you how to replace one side of the engine spark plug wires. The process is the exact same thing for the others. Just make sure you match them up and apply them in the same exact sequence. Aside from that, go ahead and start the vehicle, make sure you have no check engine light, no running condition, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.